In this video, I'm going to show you what n8n is, how it works, and why thousands of people are using it to automate their workflows. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what n8n can do, how it compares to other automation tools, and whether it's the right choice for you. Let's dive in. So, what is n8n? n8n is a workflow automation tool that connects your apps and services together so they can work automatically without you having to do repetitive tasks manually. Think of it like this. Instead of manually copying data from your Gmail to Google Sheets, or posting the same content to multiple social media platforms, n8n does it for you automatically. Here's what makes n8n different from other automation tools. First, it is open source, which means the code is publicly available, and there is a huge community constantly improving it. Second, you can self-host it. You can run n8n on your own computer or server, giving you complete control over your data and automations. Or you can use their cloud version if you prefer. Third, it has a visual workflow editor. You build automations by connecting nodes on a canvas, making it easy to see exactly what's happening in your workflow. And fourth, it's fair code licensed, meaning it's free for personal use and affordable for businesses. Let me show you how n8n actually works with a simple example. Every automation in n8n is called a workflow. A workflow is made up of nodes. These are the building blocks. Each node represents either a trigger, something that starts the workflow, like receiving an email or a new form submission, an action, something n8n does, like sending a message, updating a database, or processing data, or a logic node for making decisions, splitting paths, or merging data. You connect these nodes together to create your automation. For example, here's a simple workflow. When a new row is added to Google Sheets, it sends the data to Slack and create a task in Notion. Once you activate this workflow, it runs automatically every time the trigger condition is met. So what can you actually do with n8n? Here are some real-world examples. In business and marketing, you can use n8n to automatically post content to multiple social media platforms at once, sync customer data between your CRM and email marketing tool, and even generate reports and send them to your team on a schedule. In e-commerce, you can get notified when inventory is low, automatically process orders and update shipping information, and sync product data across multiple platforms for personal productivity. You can save email attachments automatically to Google Drive, track your time and expenses across different apps, and create backup workflows for important data. In content creation, you can automatically transcribe videos and generate summaries, monitor RSS feeds, and share new content and schedule and publish content across platforms. The possibilities are essentially endless. If you can describe the workflow, you can probably build it in n8n. You might be wondering how n8n compares to tools like Zapier, Make, or Power Automate. Zapier is usually the easiest place to start, but it gets expensive quickly and offers limited customization since everything runs on their servers. Make feels closer to n8n with a similar visual workflow builder, but it's still cloud-based and locked into subscription pricing. Power Automate works well if you're deep in the Microsoft ecosystem, though it can feel complex and rigid for beginners. n8n stands out because it gives you real control. You can self-host or use their cloud, run unlimited workflows when self-hosted, tap into an active open source community, and build far more flexible, technical automations without being boxed into ongoing per task fees. n8n gives you two main options depending on how hands-on you want to be. With n8n Cloud, everything is hosted by n8n, so you simply sign up and start building workflows without worrying about technical setup. It runs on a subscription model and is ideal if you want to move fast and test ideas with minimal friction. The self-hosted option, on the other hand, lets you install n8n on your own computer or server. It's free to use apart from hosting costs, gives you full control over your data, removes execution limits, and offers maximum flexibility. But it does require some technical know-how to set up. If you're just getting started or experimenting, the cloud version is the easiest entry point. If you're more technical, need unlimited executions, or care deeply about data privacy, self-hosting is the better choice. Don't worry, we'll walk through setting up both options in the next video. n8n is a great fit for solopreneurs and freelancers who want to automate repetitive tasks without being locked into expensive subscription fees as well as small businesses looking to connect their tools and streamline daily operations. It's especially powerful for developers who want full control over their workflows, including the ability to write custom code when needed. More broadly, n8n works for anyone dealing with repetitive digital tasks. If you're constantly copying data between apps, sending the same emails, or repeating the same steps, n8n can take that work off your plate. You don't need to be a programmer to use n8n, but a bit of technical curiosity goes a long way. If you can follow tutorials and aren't afraid to experiment, you can learn n8n. So that's n8n, a powerful, flexible, open source automation tool that can save you hours every week. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to install n8n using 3 different methods, so you can choose the one that works best for you. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe because I'm creating a complete n8n Foundation series, and then we'll build real-world automation projects together. I'll link the full n8n Foundations playlist in the description below. See you in the next video.